My family and I attended a wedding in Wales recently, and Welsh cakes were part of the party favours offered to guests, which I thought was genius. If you're not familiar with Welsh cakes, they are a traditional sweet treat enjoyed across Wales, popular since the 19th century. In the classic recipe, you'll find ingredients such as eggs, milk and butter, but in this vegan interpretation, we'll be using a couple of substitutes so that you can achieve delicious results. They are relatively easy to make, lightly spiced, and make for a wonderful accompaniment with your tea or coffee. I have the full ingredient list in the description box below, so be sure to take a look. But essentially, I made the Welsh cakes by combining self-raisin flour, salt, sugar, mixed spice, cold vegan butter, raisins, and vegan milk. You can use soya, almond, or oat milk. If you're not a fan of raisins, you can also go ahead and use chocolate chips. Be careful not to knead the dough too much in order to avoid ending up with really dense Welsh cakes. You want it to be pretty light and almost melt in the mouth. After rolling out the dough to about 1/4 of an inch thick, I used a fluted cutter to cut rounds. Any scraps can be gently brought together and rolled out again to cut more rounds. To cook them, a griddle or frying pan is all that is required. Simply cook for a few minutes, I'd say roughly about 3 minutes on both sides, over medium heat until they are golden brown and cooked all the way through. It is important to keep a close eye on them so that they do not burn. At first, it may seem that the Welsh cakes are quite delicate and might fall apart, but take them out of the pan really carefully and you'll find that as they cool, they will harden up a little bit more. You can of course enjoy them warm straight out of the pan, or you can leave them to cool completely. Some people eat it with a bit of jam, which is really nice, but they are equally tasty on their own. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this one. Do leave me a comment below if you think this is a recipe you're going to try. Be sure to subscribe. I post a new video every week, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!